Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. How fun to use this Heidi Swapp sticker book to customize and decorate my monthly calendar and journal. It has over 1,500 stickers. Some have a beautiful gold tone or silver tone foiling, and they look luxurious. There are just so many types of stickers. There are decorative stickers, washi-like stickers that are nice to put across the bottom of the page. There are functional stickers for list making, for reminders, and for errands and chores. And they're just such an excellent quality. The colors are bright and beautiful, and they match each other so nicely, so I can mix and match them. I just love sitting down with my planner and taking the time to be creative and decorate it with this Heidi Swapp planner sticker book. And that's my point of view.